Hi, welcome back. Hello, students and professionals. So, for real-time professionals, this is the whole story, but it is an important story. Already, old consultants who exactly working their careers with ECC, not at introduced to S4 HANA. And at the same time, beginners, it's quite same, whether it is ECC or S4. So let's try to understand what are the basic differences. So whatever the differences I know based on my S4 experience, let's try to cover more or less like for SAP SD, what are all the changes in S4 HANA, a few FICO changes. Let's try to get into the discussion quickly. Okay. So the topic is difference between SAP S4 HANA and ECC, must new real differences. Okay. I'm real-time practitioner of S4 HANA and ECC. Okay. I have a decade plus experience. I think you can listen from my side. Okay. Now you see, if you go, I have seen like 1511, 1610, 1909, 1702. Okay. Okay. Like at the same time, now currently I'm doing 2020 and current system where I'm working 2021 actually. So let's try to check XBF star gone. I just kept it like this. You have transactions gone, or else it might be measured with your, what I would say, with BP concepts. What are exactly these BP concepts? Let me try to give overview. Okay. So currently we're now in S4 HANA 2020 screen. Let me try like your XD01. Okay. So this is for your customer creation, right? Where exactly it is going. So either it will go for, it is asking the role level BP, customer and vendor got integrated. That is called CVA integration. So if I go this, it is asking to create a BP. Okay. So now it is giving dump. It's a practice system. So let me try to show you XD03. Okay. So your traditional way of creating your customers. Let's go for this. Select this. Okay, but in a few versions it is got absolute. It is depends on the basis SAP notes how they have implemented. At least 2020 it is allowing. Now where you went, you can able to see this customer role, vendor roles, and all these things are there. Let's try to select this. Okay, this is the customer role. Okay, if you go to sales and distribution data, okay, see everything is same. Additional new edition tabs got added. Okay, transportation data and all. So you can able to find new fields. Probably we can have one class about this. And let's go to this is for your company code data. Okay, so now BP becomes so powerful. Like if you type your previous transaction VD03, for example, if you go this, if I go for the same customer, this is for sale. Previously used to use it for your general data plus sales and distribution data. That means without your company code data. If I press this again, it will go to the BP role. Okay. So in the similar way, if you go to vendor XK03, okay. So let me try to open this one. Okay. So probably I can select a couple of tabs, press enter. You'll see where it is going. Again, it is going to BP. That is the difference. Now, what you understand, your XD01, XD02, XD03, for namesake it is there. It will go to the BP and central data of your customer. At the same time, central data of your vendor. So XK01, XK02, XK03. All three got absolute. Okay. So that means absolute means got removed, or else it will be matched with your BP. And let's try to understand this. Your FK01, FK02, FK03. This is purchase data plus general data of your vendor. So purchase side, when it comes to sales side, VD01, VD02, VD03. I think ECC you aware of this one, right? All these are now it is pushing to, when you try to access those transactions, either it won't be available, depends on your version, otherwise it will move to the BP. That's what they did it. Okay. go for this FK01, FK02, FK03, finance side, FD01, FD03. All three got merged with BP concepts. What should we do to know about this? What is the responsibility of ECC? Let's come here. Okay. This is my YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe. SD S4 HANA coaching or training at your best. That's what I have did it. So let's check this. If I type BP, okay, S4 HANA BP or CBA concepts. I have done one video and you type it. So you subscribe my channel, and apart from that, S4 HANA BP, different number range, one part, and SAP BP master creation. Master data I have shown how to create it. At least you must have an idea about it when it comes to testing or support actually. Okay. So this you can subscribe and you can try for this if you want to learn. So let's come to my actual courses in Udemy. If you'd like to learn, if you are new to S4 HANA, better do this course. See, this is 4.4 rating. This is one of the successful course on S4 HANA. My side, you can able to find three scenarios: customer and vendor with same number range, customer, vendor, and BP with different number range, and customer and vendor BP with the external number range. That is my project scenario. I have explained here. Okay, we'll just take an opportunity. These prices will be changed actually in a week's time. It varies between 450 to 550. You can buy this course. What 500? What we get it? So that too, 17 lectures and 9 hours. I explained this. In this, you can able to see the account determination also. Okay, this is all about this course. So let's come back to our discussion. This is one of the key difference. We can able to find it. This, if you'd like to join this course, I have provided the link below of this video. Okay, and you can access freely my master data videos. So next, see this material length got increased. So this is a old story, like when it comes to interfaces and some other integrations. Probably client has requested the length. It was 18 digits. Now it is got increased to 40. But still, it is a restriction. Depends on your industry. So you'll try to use maximum 8 digits or 10 digits, maximum 18 digits. Like some industries, particularly it is required. Such a case, you require this one. This is one of the key change when it comes to material master. Okay, material ledger activated. Okay, you have material ledger settings will be there. Okay, /n OM X2. So you can see in the system, this is the place where you can able to see this one, right? Material ledger activated. Without this, you cannot able to save the material. You cannot able to create. You cannot able to do the post goods issue. Too many errors it will come actually. Okay, so that video also I have added how to resolve the issues. Now, if you see this, so for example, this is a standard they have given currency type. You can able to see individual characteristics. Okay, what is the transaction? OMX2. Now let's go to OMX3. This is the place where, right, it should be in green when you activated material ledger. Otherwise, it won't work for you. Okay, why I'm telling, if you are trying on your own an S4 system, definitely you will get these errors. So let me try to show you. It became like a habit. I have tried on 1610, 1702, 1909, 2000, 2021. I'm just doing the practice actually, so it's the same story for you. So let me take this. For example, I am taking this plant. DRP1, this is the company code combination. This is the material ledger. Now status is green, then I can one CK start transaction code will be there, run that. You have to run it after activating this. Okay, so now you have seen these two transactions. So now let's try to check OM X1. Okay, so this is OMX1, OMX2, OMX3. All these transactions are important to activate. And you have something called split valuation, like whatever the transaction, whether it is material account posting or else when it comes to this one, what I would say, you'll get the different kind of errors after resolving all your standard errors. How you get for stock posting, and when it comes to this one, what I would say. So they're splitting actually. Split valuation, if it is activated, then you have to post your values. At finance side, material revenue, okay, material costing and revenue, and your sales revenue and costing, and your purchase revenue and purchase expenses and everything will it is get it divided. in terms of, split valuation. That is one thing is there when you try to do the practice. Okay. So material ledger activation. So default activation of the material ledger in accounting view. Okay. So that will be there. So this is like, your and SD and finance, all integration. So let's come here. So let's press, probably like, finance guys can give best explanation about this one. Still, I'm trying to show you. So your accounting tab, like, this periods and future cost run, all these are the changes. Okay. Material price analysis. You can see this price determination, transaction based. This is one of the integration that T codes way we have seen, right? Okay. So you can see the periods. So let's come to this view. Okay. You'll find these are the changes when it comes to this one. So I'm just briefing here. So what you are going to face with S4 HANA if you are a beginner with ECC. So MB transactions gone. So that means previously you are using in ECC. What is that? Transaction slash M MB1C. This is famous transaction for you. Like, this is completely gone actually. So you are not able to do that. Like, I have seen 5 years ago only one of my customer using Migo for stock posting actually. So if you come here, one of my videos, I have shown how to do the stock posting actually. I have resolved the errors. Probably you can able to go through it. Okay. So this is the place where, and for this apps came, Fury apps also came actually to do these transactions. Okay. This is one of the big change. Let me try to go back here. So let me put it stock. Probably I can get it. See, stock posting and error resolution. This is, you can utilize this 32 minutes. It's not a joke. Live resolving errors and, giving in half an hour to make it set right and everything, for your understanding. Better go through it. This is what I'm saying, utilize. This is an ECC. This is an S4 actually. You can utilize these two also. Okay. So now become Bigo is so powerful. Stock posting, you can see. So quota arrangement field, one field actually it is there. Okay. That is not there. And account metal master represent how. Okay. That's it. GL integration will be there, your metal master, and evaluation of the metal master will be there. Now you see this metal master level. Okay. These are the transactions still available. Okay. So let me try to show you here in S4 live. MMBA. Let's take it. This one, this report still available. So probably something if comes up, I'll try to add in future to know. Like, you can able to see the same stock report. It is available. There is no issue with this. So now you can see MB51. Okay, stock multiple materials. So let's go to this. Let's come here. Slash MB52. Okay. Now let's try to execute this. You can able to do the multiple selection to see the, this is a damage storage location, sales storage location. This is stories, in your ECC. That's what. These are available, very much available. No worries. Press enter. So this is MB01, MB05, all gone. Okay. Let's try to check. See, this is going to be the future and edge for you. Okay. And okay, all this transaction gone. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, please read. There is something called simplification list that is available in the Google, so that you will come to know that. I just wanted to brief out that everyone don't have time to read all these things, right? So your MSEC MKPF, whatever the data storing, your accounting entries integration, that will be converted into MADDoc. Okay, if a material document, if you'd like to open, you can able to open by using SC16N MATDoc. We are at the right place. I'm showing this. You can able to do the by joining reports also. with a different table. Previously you used to use other ways, right? ALV reports and all this. That it become like so flexible. You can combine this one. Okay, probably let me try to go back. That course also I have done. So report. You can search somewhere, you can find. So SC16H. Okay, I have explained. This is not available in your ECC. You can see this. So I have made bug fixes SAP notes. One thing, like, what are the limitations for this? Why so special in S4 HANA? That also I explain, okay, when it comes to new browser. Let's try to go to MadDoc. Generally, this is very slow when it comes to your ECC, like, MSEC, BSEC, ORSEC, too many tables are there. This they have done it like, MadDoc. Okay. So all your recording type, okay, GUID, it will be stored. So many things are there. You can explore this one, and all your accounting entries will be AC doc. AC doc, I think. Okay, AC doc. Okay, universal general entry. So many tables got data got adjusted in this. So this is for finance folks. No worry about this one. Okay. So now you got it right. So in Fury, they have given for material transfer, stock in plant, like, so many uh, things what we are doing for stock display and all those things they have given in terms of Fury apps. Post goods receipt against inbound delivery. That is an additional feature they have added through Fury app. Well, let's see our SD pricing changes. Creating data element length. Okay. So like, a lot of this is the replacement of your traditional KYNV for document condition records, PRCD underscore element. If you'd like to know about this, okay, I have done on a video, like, S4 HANA pricing changes compared with previous version, Arthur ECC. This is like, somewhere it will give good idea about you. Okay. So regarding, like, I have done like one specific course on S4 recorded. There is I mean, I don't find much difference. We have one more field, like 17th field in pricing procedure, it is added. Okay, you would like to learn, you can able to see this. So we cannot able to do the account posting because that is linked with your COPA and all, but we made it successfully at our SD side. Okay, till invoice. Okay, so you can go through this course, you'll get some idea. So like it looks like ECC only I have recorded an S4 HANA, but few changes, very less changes actually. Delta changes, you can say. Okay, length increasing. Major changes like, PRCD underscore elements. You cannot able to access your KNV, KONV. You can see that video I have shown right in YouTube. The changes you can able to get it. See, these are the length changes. There is nothing to do with. This is useful for ABAPers. They have increased the length and all those stuff for your K1B. Okay. So Incoterms versions, it is available in a EHP7 latest also, but still it is active in our S4 HANA. Probably I will do one video regarding this. So for YouTube. So let's come to sales and distribution. Come here, master data. If you see this business partners, same thing, like, customers you have. Let's come here, billing documents. You can see Incoterms, right? See, you have a version actually. Same Incoterm you can try to use in different versions. Okay, probably if you find some time, like, I'll try to do some scenarios on this. This is one thing. Let's come to the this. So rebates are there. Why still it is available? Because there is some module like a TPM, trade. What do you call? I forgotten actually. CRM and TPM, trade. Forgotten actually. So we have seen that. So whenever we create a promotion, trade promotions, okay, TPM, trade promotion management. So like this is rebate kind of thing. There actually it is used to integrate with ECC actually. TPM is a separate module in CRM and all. So that integration still it's supposed to happen with S4. That's why rebates are there. It will work for you. But still, what SAP suggests that there is one more concept. On this, I'm going to explore this condition contract management or settlement management. Not settle. This is settlement management. We'll call it as it is a replacement. So I'll just want to do one dedicated course on this. Already captured around 90 slides are there. So let's see this in future. This is one of the key prospective we can expect. Output determination. Use it to do your configuration using NAST transaction, NAST table and all the stuff. Okay. So that now it is not replaced. Actually, they have given another BRF plus another framework, business. Okay, business rules framework. Actually, they called it as like you are taking one output record key combination, right? That same key combination, but through ABAP with the help of BRF plus rules, we can able to write multiple. So here the some configuration is relevant for your backend system. Front end now it is completely occupied, like your query screens there you can able to do few configuration. But what I would suggest based on my experience wherever we done, we have used only NAS, not BRF plus, because it has certain limitations for your interfaces and what you call routine development, a lot of issues with this. Now it is not much popularized. Their SAP is saying so powerful, but it has time to take, or else experts not available. Okay, above side also to handle this BR plus. Probably it's been 2016 to 1610. Now we are now in 2023. These 8 years, someone has explored, but for functionals, it is no difference for us actually. It's all about your client billings only. Availability check. So this is whole concept of product allocation. Okay, in HCC it is available. The same thing it is there, but the only difference is you have Fury configuration apart from your backend configurations. And PAC product availability check. It is at global level. So previously used to in HCC plant wise you are checking the stock allocation. And same thing if you go for complex warehouse structure and all the stuff. Such a cases you can able to check at global level, multi-level understanding, PAC product availability check. Okay. So BOP, your backend processing, it has a strategies, 4 to 5 strategies are there. Probably I'll try to combine all these things. I'll just get back to you with one course actually. So especially useful for retail and manufacturing industries, these scenarios. Okay. So cross applications, you can able to find these configurations. If you would like to get to know about more, so I'll get back to you. Okay, index tables like VAK, PA, VAK, PM, all these tables and your LS tables and rebate index VBox got removed. This is a big change. This is required change in terms of your hardware, RAM and space and all those things will play into real. Okay, so when it comes to credit management, okay, this is 1909. Whatever the SD specific, whatever the changes done, this I have done for FSCM consultants also. Okay, at SD level understanding. If I go back here, this is one of the very good course, but ratings are bit low, probably like rankings and external interface integration, that and all we cannot able to cover this because few things we can able to check on real time only, but at static level I have shown. This is one of the very good course to see the blocks. A lot of settings actually move to FSEO submodule, financial supply chain module. This is actually in ECC, this is separate box, but that is got integrated with FSEO. So this one like your credit blocks at sales order level, delivery level, billing level. This you must know because all FI consultants might not be from the background of credit management, right? They will do their own way of creating risk categories and other stuff. They will do that. So it is one of the key integration, like account determination. It is also one of the key important concept. I would like to tell you one thing: account determination, there is no changes. It will be like similar way. Okay. So by the way, so this it will give some training, some overview about this course. Okay, you can go through this course, and I have few courses also, like if you're a beginner, go how to write functional specification, rebates, old ECC. Okay, so let's come back to our discussion. So the final thing, if 400 gone. You are used to get some errors in your billing, right? But don't worry, it is integrated with either GTS for full-fledged services or an international trade. What module it is available in GTS that is got like plugin. You cannot you need not use for your basic processes at least. GTS is a separate box, so this you can utilize in your package if you got S4 HANA license. So done. These are the differences. You can find it. What I would like to tell is, okay, I think this session is useful for beginners. But what I wanted to tell is, if you like this video, please subscribe. I'm just putting my hard work. If you would like to get training on ECC or S4 HANA, you can ping at comment box. And I would like to tell you one thing. Probably we'll have a separate discussion on that. But I would like to tell that no worries for ECC. Okay, coming 10 years. By the time we'll slowly get into the S4 projects. I'm not making fear by doing these slides and all, but if you know this, it will good for your future. So or else we don't want to continue in IT. We want to done fast coming 10 years, or else I would like to go for management or something like that. It's not for them. Like me, he would like to update the technical side. Uh, Probably like not pure technical functional side. So you'd like to know, you just do the practice. So that's it. You can find all links relevant for my courses. If you like it, you can join these courses. So these are getting like 400 500 rupees. It will be helpful to you, that too getting knowledge from real-time consultant. So like at cheaper rate, it's good for you, right? So I'm not milking money. So I just wanted to say one thing. I wish you all the best, and I'm thankful to you for this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind, signing off. Thank you.